kids! Welcome to our fun clothing adventure. Today, we're going to learn about various kinds of clothes, from t-shirts to jackets. We'll explore what they are, how to wear them, and even how to spell their names. Let's dive in and have a great time together. Hi kids! I'm a t-shirt. Can you spell t-shirt with me? T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt. Great job. You wear me on your top half, and I'm soft and comfy, perfect for playtime or relaxing at home. I come in all sorts of colors and designs. Hello there. I'm a pair of jeans. Can you spell jeans with me? J-E-A-N-S, jeans. Awesome. I'm strong and tough, perfect for running, jumping, and exploring. I can be blue, black, or even different colors. Hey everyone. I'm a sweater. Can you spell sweater with me? S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Fantastic. I keep you warm and cozy when it's cold outside, like a big, soft hug. I can be knitted or made of different materials and come in lots of colors and patterns. Hi kids. I'm a hoodie. Can you spell hoodie with me? H-O-O-D-I-E, hoodie. Wonderful. I have a hood to keep your head warm and a big front pocket where you can hide your hands or little treasures. I'm perfect for cool weather. Hello. I'm a jacket. Can you spell jacket with me? J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Well done. I help keep you warm when it's chilly outside. You can zip or button me up. I can be made from different materials like leather, denim, or waterproof fabric. Hi there. I'm a blazer. Can you spell blazer with me? B-L-A-Z-E-R, blazer. Great job. I'm like a fancy jacket you can wear to look smart for special occasions or school events. I often have buttons and pockets and can make any outfit look sharp. Hey kids. I'm a skirt. Can you spell skirt with me? S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Excellent. You can twirl and dance in me, and I come in all kinds of lengths, colors, and patterns. I'm perfect for parties or just having fun. Hello. I'm a pair of shorts. Can you short skirt with me? S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Awesome. I'm perfect for hot days when you want to stay cool and comfortable. You can wear me while playing outside, at the beach, or just hanging out. Hi kids. I'm a blouse. Let's spell blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E, blouse. Fantastic. I'm a pretty top that you can wear with many outfits, and I often have lovely patterns, buttons, or frills. I'm perfect for looking nice and feeling great. Hello there. I'm a jumpsuit. Let's spell jumpsuit. J-U-M-P-S-U-I-T, jumpsuit. Wonderful. I'm an all-in-one outfit that's fun and easy to wear. You just step into me and zip or button up. I'm great for playing or dressing up.